How are we back here? We good?
That's good. Yeah.
Man, I'm so excited to get started on this new project.
Oh yeah, man, me too. Hey, are we gonna be able to keep this one a secret?
Yeah, I don't think we're going to be very visible from the site.
Not visible.
Yeah, no, I don't think so. Okay, well, I was like half wrong.
Wait a second, you guys. I can't get the stud finder to work.
Stud finder.
Yeah, I'm trying to here, but it's not.
Check the batteries, right?
Yeah, put new batteries in it. And
Yeah, stud finder's working just fine.
what are you doing?
Yeah, it's probably user error on your
That's
part,
hilarious,
but it's
fine
fine.
that it's actually working.
Yeah. Hey guys. Hey, back here. We got a problem. We got a real problem.
Yeah, pretty sure the scaffolding's supposed to be across the street.
Yeah, the construction zone's over there.
Man, well, what are we
See you
gonna
guys.
do now? Let's bail.
Man, the boss is gonna be here any minute. We need to look busy. Come on.
Okay.